So the first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest version and not running on outdated version. So simply go to the settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if there is any update available, and then after that launch the game and check if it's working or not. The next is to check for Grounded to update. So apart from console update, you also need to check if the game is having any update. The developers often releases patches to deal with several kind of bugs. So if there is any update available, simply update it and improve the game performance. The next solution is to clear Xbox cache. For that, click on Xbox symbol, then move down and select settings. Now go to system, then select console info. After that, click on reset console, and finally click on reset and keep my games and apps option. This will clear the cache of the Xbox, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. The next solution suggested is to check storage space. For that, go to Xbox button, click on profile and system, then click on settings, system and then storage option. Here check whether there is any available space or not. If not, then simply delete some unused apps or data to create space, and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, go to the Xbox button, tap on settings, then click on profile and system. Now go to account, then click on remove accounts option. After that, select the account to remove. Now choose remove option, and then once your account is removed, now again add your account and then try to play the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to check network connection. If there is any kind of network connection problem or any fluctuation, then also you cannot play the game and it shows some kind of error like crashing or not launching. So it's better to keep your network connection properly or use Ethernet cable for stable connection, or even you can go for another hotspot if this doesn't work. Next solution is to check for overheating. The crashing or any kind of other issues that occurs in the game can also be due to overheating of the device. So you should take care of it and make sure that no overheating is happening that can lead the game crash or other problems. So simply go to the settings, click on system, console info, and then check for temperature over here. If it is high, then to make it cool, simply wait for some time and then try to play the game. Next is to delete saved data. For that, open Xbox settings, go to my games and apps and select see all option. Then click on games and here select game title. After that, tap on menu button and then manage games and add-ons and then click on save data. Here delete the saved data and then once restart your console. Now check if you can play the game without any further problem. If not, the next solution suggested is to reinstall Grounded to game from Xbox. So that, press the Xbox button controller, go to my games and apps, select see all option. Here choose your game, that is Grounded 2, press menu button and finally select uninstall option over here. After the game is completely removed, now launch the game by going to the official website and from there download and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, the final solution suggested is to contact support. For that, I have provided the link in the description, or you can simply go to the Xbox support help and then try to tell them the issue you are coming across, or simply raise a ticket and let them know about the error. They will better guide you how to solve the issue, and later on you can easily play the game without any further problem. So all these are some of the solutions suggested to fix Grounded to game crashing or not launching or not loading error on Xbox. So that's all for now. Thank you.